So this is US oil, also known as WTI, analysis for Wednesday 11th of October. So my weekly pivot, I've got it down there at 49.25, and in the previous video I did mention it could provide support for a subsequent springboard for price to go to the upside. Now, we've seen prices come up to 49.60, held it and pushed up. I did expect to see some consolidation around 50.40, but we have not. We have broken above it quite strongly with a lot of momentum in the market, and we've broken above the 200 premium average that was seen around there as well. We've had a retest of it from the other side, and it has held. Now, currently we appear to be going into a bit of a bull flag, and so if this does form into a bull flag using this black moving average as a minor support for the flag, I would be targeting to the upside 151.57, 152.22, and 152.80. Those are the upside target levels we're looking at. Now, say we do break down from here. Seems a bit unlikely, but I suppose it is possible. So break down to 50.40 would be the next area of interest, and beneath that 49.60, and again 49.25. 49.25. Yeah. So let's just go out to the higher time frames and see if there's anything of note. So let's just get the scaling correct here. So on this monthly time frame, we can see we've gone into a bit of a consolidative range, with 55 being its high and the mid 40s being the low to mid 40s being the low of this dynamic. Yes, the low 40s, mid 40s being low of this current range. Sorry about that. I should stop saying. So yes, of this range. Let's have a look at the weekly time frame. A weekly time frame, again, you can see the range is pretty clear until we break above like minimum 53, 54. We're still going to be trading between these zones around the 42 level and the 53 level, which isn't great for oil, because oil tends to be quite volatile. Let's just go down to the daily time frame. Let's see how that's setting up. On the daily time frame, we did have a it's not great looking chart at the moment. We did have a pretty decent sell-off in oil. We had a buy, but then the very next day we sold off again. So we've currently got 2 consecutive days of buying at the moment, with the previous days being quite, I suppose you could say, is quite exceptional. A pretty sizable candle, counter to the immediate trend to the downside, and this sizable candle is likely going to provide a platform from which to launch. Launch. I suppose launch isn't the word. To springboard. Well, I suppose you could say launch towards 151, 157, 52, 22, 52.80, and 53.54. So yes, it does provide a platform or the shuttle landing pad for prices to go to the upside. So overall, that's my view on the US oil WTI. I am long biased with the levels mentioned above, and also levels mentioned below. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.